An 11-year-old girl has died from avian influenza, also known as the bird flu. It's reportedly the first human infection of the H5N1 strain of the virus since 2014 in Cambodia, where the girl was from, the Minister of Health said. Workers have since been cleaning the property where she lived to disinfect it. They also burned trash collected around the house. Another 12 people have been infected, according to health officials. Over the past few years, there's been an outbreak of bird flu around the world, including the U.S., according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Human infections are primarily transmitted through direct contact with infected animals or contaminated environments, the World Health Organization says. It adds, controlling the disease in the animal source is critical to decrease risk to humans. This is Inside Edition Digital.